I'm going to make chicken and vegetable stir fry. Here are my ingredients. I got some chicken breast, broccoli, an onion, and a bell pepper. And this stuff is for my sauce. I'm going to start chopping and then I'll be back. Wow, that took a long time. I've now cut up 2 cups of broccoli and 2 cups of sweet potato, and I'm gonna put them in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for 18 minutes. I've also cut up 1 onion and 1 bell pepper. And after that has roasted, I'm going to cut up my chicken and start making my sauce. In my sauce, there's going to be half a cup of hoisin sauce, 1/3 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, 1/4 cup of chicken broth, veggie broth, or water. And then I'm gonna put in my hot cooked rice. Now I'm going to add the chicken to the pan with the hot oil.
To wash your hands.
Okay, now I'm going to lightly sprinkle some garlic salt on it. Because our sauce is super salty. And now I'm also going to put on some pepper. And cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. And I will see you back. My vegetables are done and my chicken is done, so now I'm going to take them out. Now I'm going to spin out my chicken. Wow, that's a lot of water. After this, I'm going to cook my onions and bell pepper.
some bell pepper in there. Let me pour this off. Sorry. And my sous chef is helping me.
My sous chef is helping me.
Okay. You're gonna
I'm gonna cook it together and then I'm gonna add the sauce. My vegetables look great and now I'm gonna add my sauce. And now I'm gonna let it cook for 2 minutes. Okay, now that my sauce has been cooking for a little bit, I'm now going to add in my chicken.
Oh, Lucy.
So the dog gets a treat. And also, I'm going to add in my vegetables. Now I'm going to put my rice into a bowl.
Just turn this on.
Now I'm going to stir my sauce. Probably should come. I'm going to continue stirring this for a little bit longer and then I'll be right back. Now I'm going to add some of this yumminess to my bowl. Bon appetit! Mmm. So good. Thank you for joining my cooking show today. I am the proud maker of this delicious stir fry. I am Barron Penland.